What's up, everybody? Wanted to get a quick video in today. We're going to do the Villages homegrown. It's where they do their well, I always want to say aquaponics. Aquaponics is like when you have a fish tank, the water from the fish tank goes into the garden, grows the plants, and then it circulates back into the fish tank after it's filtered out. Hydroponic is with chemicals in the water to give them the nutrients they need, and the water flows through and touches the roots of the plants. And I'm not sure about their aeroponic. I assume it's the same, but with roots dangling in the air. Anyways, I stayed up late tonight watching the debate. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, here we go. So we're taking a look at the homegrown Villages little well, it's not aquaponics, but it is a hydroponic and aeroponic technology where they grow all the fruits and veggies that they sell to local restaurants. They do some stuff at the market, and they also are doing local stands and have a mobile cart that drives around. You can actually order from this place online. They started with 5 acres initially, and they're going to eventually expand this out to 45 acres. You can see there's quite a bit of land around it, and they're actually doing some pushing dirt around right there. But the goal of this is to try and connect the community with the food and offer a healthy alternative, kind of like the grown here, eaten here type campaign. I think it's actually really cool. They don't use any pesticides, and it reduces the carbon footprint because it's all inside in greenhouses. Each one of these white buildings in the back is a little greenhouse. I was trying to get close up to see if maybe they were pulling water from these little ponds in the back, but I couldn't see anything, so I am not sure where they're pumping the water from. I assume that they have pipes going underground. But they do have that mobile stand, and they are expanding this as it goes. Like I said, it started out on the small side, and actually with COVID, they've had to stop some of their stuff. But I'm sure with entertainment coming back soon and everything back to normal, well, getting back to normal in Florida, they'll be opening their full operation back up. You can't just drive up to the place. You actually have to go place the order online and then go in and schedule an appointment and do all that type of deal. But I hope you enjoyed this little quick video, and as always, if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell, because if you don't ring the bell, the chances of you actually seeing the videos when they're uploaded are based on YouTube. So give us a like, comments, and share below. I'll have another one out for you tomorrow, and have a great day.